Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Here I'm going to show you that we have added a special feature in our multi-vendor app. We have added chatting feature. For example, if you choose any food, well, definitely we'll go to the food page, and of course it's saying login issue. Most probably you didn't log in. Anyway, you can open the restaurant, and here you see the distance alert, but that's not the point. The point is here. So you'll see that we have a chatting tab. So you can chat, but it's saying that go ahead and log in. So the thing that we want to do now, we want to go ahead and log in. To log in, you'll see that here you have chatting interface, but of course currently we don't have any messages. Now let's go ahead and check a food. Say I choose a food from here, and maybe I want to go to there any of the food, and then let me go ahead and click on this chat option. Now here we'd be able to see that a chat window, and then we'd be able to send messages from here if you want. All right, but of course the restaurant would definitely would receive this message. But currently let's find a restaurant that I'm logged in, or I am a restaurant. For example, this is my restaurant account. So here I'm going to look for food over here, and then I'm going to look for the food that I want, and I believe this is the food. Okay, right. And I can open the restaurant. So this is Best Burgers. Actually, this is the same restaurant as you can see over here, Best Burgers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do chatting over here. Click on this. So as we see that this restaurant's logo and the logo over here, so this are all unique. So here I can say I want a burger for lunch. So you can send a message, and here you see that the restaurant would receive this message over here. Okay, not only that, restaurant would be able to actually chat back from here. So as you see that here, my name is Chickener over here, so this is the message that we have received. So definitely we can reply him, and we can say play and hit send. So here we do see that immediately we'll have the message over here and the notification that arrives as well. Okay, so this is awesome. So we have added chatting feature. But not only that, actually chatting features are accessible from multiple windows. And what I mean by that, so here you'll see that we have my orders. If we have orders and paid orders, we'll be able to see the orders and start chatting from here. Or if we have the chat windows, okay, so this is general chat, but over here, if you placed an order, only for those orders we'd be able to see the chats. So let's go ahead and place an order. So once again, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to place an order, and I'm going to proceed to the cart. So I'm going to click on pay. So here it says that you have a new order that's been placed. Awesome. So this has been successfully done. And now if we go to our profile section, and we'll see my orders and the paid section over here, we can see the paid item, and we can start chatting from here as well. So of course it's gonna save the original chatting and continue it from there. I just placed an order. Okay. All right, so here we'll see the notification, and if we refresh the tab over here, and here we'll see that we have new orders. So as you can see that we have new orders. We can accept the orders. All right, so we'll get the notification back that the order has been accepted. And at the same time, if you come back and check, it is still here, and you'll see that, which is different from this, because here it has all the general chats, and here we have the chats only that's been paid. I mean the items that have placed for those. Anyway, so thanks for watching.